Listen to the sound of beauty and learn the Elizabeth Arden way to a lifetime of loveliness. Yours is a face with a future. Why not protect it now and for many years to come by making beauty a daily habit? Have you read the booklet? Have you looked carefully at the charts? Have you arranged and opened the preparations for skin care according to the chart on the inside cover of the beauty box? You will also need cotton pads, cleansing tissues, and cold water. Each and every preparation in the Sound of Beauty box has been carefully chosen to help your skin find its own natural loveliness. But to maintain it, you must daily follow these 3 basic steps: cleanse, tone, smooth. Now we are ready for step 1, to cleanse. Moisten the cotton pad in the cold water and squeeze it almost dry. Next, moisten the pad with Ardena skin lotion and add a little Ardena cleansing cream. Follow the cleansing chart in the booklet. Start to cleanse at the base of the neck. Smooth the pad up from left to right all around the neck. Be sure to include the back of the neck. Then, from the chin, move the pad up over the cheeks, up onto the forehead, gently, very gently around the eyes and over the nose. Isn't this a delightful way to cream cleanse the skin? So deeply penetrating and beautifying. Remember, keep your strokes going up, 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 never down. Should you happen to have an oily skin or little blemishes, use Skin Deep Milky Cleanser instead of Ardena Cleansing Cream. This special liquid cleansing formula gently remedies as it cleanses. Now remove the cream with tissues. And you are ready for step 2, to tone the skin. You tone the skin to keep it clear and healthy. First, moisten another cotton pad with cold water. Squeeze it out and saturate it with tingling Ardena skin lotion. Remove every trace of cleansing cream. Briskly pat the skin, following the chart in your booklet. Now your skin is ready either for makeup, as described on side 2 of this record, or if it's bedtime, you are ready for beauty step number 3, to smooth. These are the Elizabeth Arden nighttime preparations that you may need: Ardena Velva Cream, Orange Skin Cream, 8-Hour Cream, and Spot-Proof Cream. Smooth a light film of softening Velva Cream on the face and neck with fingertips, always using the upward motion. If your skin feels especially dry, choose Ardena Orange Skin Cream. Suppose you've been out in the sun or wind. Then simply blend a little 8-Hour Cream with Velva Cream and let it work for your skin while you sleep. 8-Hour Cream is also wonderfully healing for chapped lips and surface blemishes. But should your mirror reveal large, stubborn blemishes or persistent spots, dot these problem areas with Spot-Proof Cream. If the blemishes are deep-seated, massage gently with a firm rotary motion to stimulate circulation. When possible, Spot-Proof Cream should be left on overnight. Daily Elizabeth Arden skin care will lead to a lovelier you. Remember the 3 steps: cleanse, tone, smooth. You'll be thrilled at the radiant glow of vitality revealed in your mirror. A new vitality, which is the very essence of beauty. Listen to the sound of beauty and you will learn how to grow in loveliness with Elizabeth Arden makeup. But first, remember that makeup can only be as fresh and pretty as the skin beneath it. So you must prepare your skin properly for makeup by cleansing and toning it the Elizabeth Arden way, the way you have learned on side 1 of this record. Line up the Elizabeth Arden makeup preparations in front of you as indicated on the inside cover of the Sound of Beauty box. Start with one of the lovely Elizabeth Arden powder foundations. You will find 2 different kinds in the Sound of Beauty box. Featherlight Foundation Cream lends a pretty, soft effect to your own natural coloring. Patacreme will cover up any little blemishes or bumps, and it's a perfect base for those special party evenings. Here's how to apply it. Place several dots on the neck, cheeks, nose, and forehead, using your fingertips to blend the foundation evenly. Keep blending until every part of the skin is lightly and evenly covered. Next, you're ready for just a trace of Ardena Cream Rouge to accentuate your own healthy, natural glow. Place a tiny dot on each cheekbone. Smooth the rouge out over the cheek. Blend it ever so carefully. Be sure no edges show. Just see how the rouge makes your eyes shine. Now, you are ready for Illusion Face Powder. Let me share a little secret with you. If you always remember to press the powder on, it will cling longer and will softly hide every flaw and shadow. So press it on with the puff or with a piece of cotton. Let's take a good look at your eyes. You can enhance their beauty, especially for evening parties. You can make them appear larger. Accent their already pretty color with just a touch of the cream eyeshadow. Place a dot on each eyelid close to the lashes. Smooth the shadow outward and upward toward the outer corner of the eyebrow. This widens the eyes, brings out their color, and gives them a luminous, starry look. With the eyebrow pencil, use short, deft strokes to emphasize and shape the eyebrows. Use a brush to remove any trace of powder and soften the line of the pencil. Then, add the merest bit of 8-hour cream to your brows and lashes for a lustrous new eye sparkle. Now for one of your most important features, the mouth. And here, let me share another secret with you. To make the color last longer, powder the lips ever so lightly before applying the lipstick. Look carefully at the lipstick chart in the booklet. Select the one nearest to the shape of your own lips. Perhaps you will wish to alter your natural lip line a little. For perfect results, use a lipstick brush to outline the mouth. Then fill in the outline with creamy Elizabeth Arden lipstick. As a final touch, press a tissue gently over the lips to set the color. Well now, look at the new you in your mirror. How lovely you look. Fresh, sparkling, radiant in your Elizabeth Arden makeup. Ready to receive compliments and admiring glances. Promise yourself to follow the Sound of Beauty makeup steps every single day. The Sound of Beauty box has been prepared for you by Elizabeth Arden to remind you that yours is a face with a future of beauty and loveliness. This can be yours if you start now to give your skin the best daily care and learn to use makeup correctly. Begin today to grow in loveliness with Elizabeth Arden.